Mastering Phone Etiquette, the Art of Language and Tone. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on Mastering Phone Etiquette, the Art of Language and Tone. This topic falls under our broader series on telephone and video call etiquette, which forms an essential part of your English language learning journey. Today, we're going to discuss how to provide information over the phone using the most appropriate language and tone. Let's dive right in. Understanding the right tone and language to use while providing information over the phone is crucial. It can greatly impact how your message is received by the other party. Your tone of voice influences how the listener perceives your attitude, while your choice of words, language, can clarify your message, reducing misunderstandings. When speaking on the phone, your voice is the primary tool you have to convey emotion and sincerity. Without visual cues, your tone can indicate friendliness, urgency, or professionalism. Always strive for a calm and clear tone. Speak clearly, at a moderate pace, and try to convey a positive and helpful attitude through your voice. Your choice of words is just as important as your tone. Use simple, clear language that can be easily understood. Avoid slang, idioms, or overly technical jargon unless you are sure the other person will understand. Always confirm that the listener has understood your message. Maintaining a balance between tone and language can be challenging, but it's essential for effective communication. Try to match your tone with your words. If you're delivering positive news, sound cheerful. If the news is serious, adopt a solemn tone. Remember, consistency between what you say, language, and how you say it, tone, can strengthen your message and prevent confusion. Let's go through some practice scenarios to understand better how to use the appropriate tone and language. 1. Giving directions. I'm glad to help you find our office. From the station, take the first left, then continue straight until you see a big blue building. That's us. 2. Breaking bad news. I regret to inform you that our meeting scheduled for tomorrow has been postponed due to unforeseen circumstances. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. Note the difference in tone and language used in each scenario. And that wraps up our discussion on Mastering Phone Etiquette, the Art of Language and Tone. Remember, the right tone and language can make your communication effective and respectful. It's a skill that takes time to develop, so keep practicing. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this lesson helpful. Until next time, happy learning!